Hi, welcome to ESL Now. My name is Selly. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to transform common phrases into powerful phrasal verbs. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Get over. Get over. To recover from or overcome something. To recover from or overcome something. For example, I had the flu last week but got over it. I had the flu last week but got over it. He wrote a song to get over his grandmother's death. He wrote a song to get over his grandmother's death. Break in. Break in. To enter a place forcibly or illegally. To enter a place forcibly or illegally. For example, the burglars tried to break in through the back door. The burglars tried to break in through the back door. Having finally broken in, they stole valuable items. Having finally broken in, they stole valuable items. Look after. Look after. To take care of someone or something. To take care of someone or something. For example, looking after young children can be challenging. Looking after young children can be challenging. Turn up. Turn up. To arrive unexpectedly or increase in volume. To arrive unexpectedly or increase in volume. He turned up at the party uninvited. He turned up at the party uninvited. We need to turn up the music for the dance performance. We need to turn up the music for the dance performance. Set up. Set up. To establish or arrange something. To establish or arrange something. For example, they are planning to set up a new business. They are planning to set up a new business. The team successfully set up the event venue. The team successfully set up the event venue. Run out of. Run out of. To deplete or exhaust the supply. To deplete or exhaust the supply. For example, we are running out of time to finish the project. We are running out of time to finish the project. Don't forget to buy more milk. We've run out of it. Don't forget to buy more milk. We've run out of it. Looking forward to. Looking forward to. To anticipate or be excited about something. To anticipate or be excited about something. For example, she looked forward to her vacation. She looked forward to her vacation. We all look forward to the weekend. We all look forward to the weekend. Give up. Give up. To quit or surrender. To quit or surrender. For example, don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your dreams. After several failed attempts, they finally gave up. After several failed attempts, they finally gave up. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be receiving the notifications whenever I upload new videos. All right, see you in my next one. Bye.